Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get 1inch using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can earn money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section. And as you can see, you can either buy or receive 1inch in Trust Wallet and choose the one that you are interested in. Start typing in 1inch, and when it pops up, you just tap on it and it's going to generate your own 1inch token QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive 1inch in your Trust Wallet anytime. Or you can just tap on copy and it's going to copy your 1inch address and you can receive 1inch this way. Now the second feature, set amount feature, is a very cool one. Here you can type in a set amount of 1inch coins, let's say 538, and you will receive a new QR code, and with this new QR code and address you can receive this exact amount of 1inch coins. And obviously with the share icon you can share your QR code on social media or any other platforms. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one.